A word we'll be learning in this section is 同一, which you will often hear in situations where you need to describe or verify something as being exactly the same as another. Imagine the confidence you'll gain in everyday conversations by mastering this essential term. 同一, 同一. The word 同一, 同一 means the same or identical in English. It is used to describe something that is not different from another in nature, quality, or form. The first kanji means same or together, and it often shows likeness or agreement. You can see it in 同じ, where it marks that two things are the same, and in 同意, where it gives the sense of agreeing or consenting. The second kanji means one or single, and it indicates counting or unity. In 一つ, it counts a single item, and in 一緒, it contributes the sense of being together as one. We are wearing the same hat. 同一の帽子をかぶっています。同一の帽子をかぶっています。This color is the same. この色は同一である。この色は同一である。That dog and this dog look identical. あの犬とこの犬は同一に見える。あの犬とこの犬は同一に見える。We have the same idea. 私たちは同一の考えを持つ。私たちは同一の考えを持つ。The most common synonyms of the 同一 are 同様 and 等しい. 同様 means similar or alike, implying that things resemble each other in a broad sense. 等しい translates to equal, focusing more on parity and being exactly equivalent. The most common antonyms of the 同一 are 異なる and 違う. 異なる means different and refers to a broader variation or difference that distinguishes things. 違う implies a disparity or deviation from what is expected or usual, indicating something is unlike or mismatched.